Ever since I was a kid, I wanna run up all these M's. I do it by myself cause I don't really need no friends. Wake up, chase this bag, ain't no sleep, do it again. All these niggas hating on me nowadays, it's just a trend. These bitches be fugazi, say they love you for pretend. Hey, what is good, YouTube? It's KG Entertainment, and we back with another motherfucking banger video. You feel me? You know the vibes. I need y'all to like, I need y'all to comment, I need y'all to subscribe. This video is gonna be short, no bullshit, because I gotta go. It's about to be New Year's, and I hope you guys enjoyed your New Year's because I'll probably post this after. But today, y'all can already see by the title what I'm finna be doing. I'm finna be showing y'all the Balenciaga LED track. It's gonna be just a little review and unboxing, and then I'm gonna put them on my feet and show y'all what they could do. And is it worth it? You feel me? But before I do that, y'all got to sub for the kid. Thank you for getting me to 400. That means so much. It means more than just 400, because if I could get 400, I could get 500. If I get 500, I could get 600. And it keeps going. But let's get into it. Alright, so first, I'm showing y'all the box. Y'all don't need to know the address, but I'm just gonna show y'all the box. It got the address. It looks like a plain, normal box, but it's from Saks Fifth. Saks Fifth. And then it comes with a little wrapping gift paper. And now we got the box. And the box come inside of it. Let me just make sure this don't got no addresses. Yeah, it don't. Alright, size 40. That's my size. This is what the box looks like. Feel me, feel me, feel me. Box. I already have a Balenciaga box, so it's not really that new to me. But now we gonna open this bitch up. And here go the LEDs. Here go the LEDs. So my brother got a pair too, and his came with a charger. So I'm not sure why mine didn't come with a charger. But I was just excited, and I was like, fuck it, like, it doesn't matter. It come with a little Balenciaga card, and then it come with the bag. It come with the bag. My shits, let me see. You can see the price, right? Y'all can't even see, it's not focusing. That shits ain't fake. So don't even try to comment that shit at the bottom. Anyway, these are the LEDs. This is how they look. And I'm gonna show y'all what colors go on them. So the charger, it's only an Android charger, and I have mad Android chargers, so it doesn't really matter if they came with it or not. I mean, I would have liked for it to come with it, but it don't really matter to me. This is the bottom. These shits are just so clean. Then this, you gotta call the travel people. I mean, you gotta call the people on the airplane before you can even bring it on the airplane, which sucks ass, and I can't bring them to Chicago. So that's why I decided, let me just do a little unboxing of them, and I'm gonna pull them out today because I can't wear them to Chicago, and I leave to Chicago in a week. Don't that suck ass? But it's all good because I ain't even trying to get robbed for these bitches either. No bullshit. So I'm gonna just show y'all what they look like. This is how they look. Let me just turn them. Alright, so now the real question, are they worth it? My alarm went off, my fault. Me personally, I think these are worth it. Like, it's 1.4K, but these is like 6 shoes in one. Like, any outfit you have, you could put them on. So you press the track and the light turn on, just like this. And you keep pressing it, another light. Say if you got blue on. I said, nigga, I don't got no purple sneakers. I don't got no green sneakers. It like go any color, bro. And then it either do this or it be changing colors. Tell me that shit is not fire, bro. Y'all can't say that this isn't fire, bro. That's all I gotta say. This is literally, how many colors does it have? Let me just count the colors that it has. And it also goes quicker or slower. Like, it's just tough. Alright, so it got 1 color, 2, 3. Hold on, this shit low-key kind of hard though. 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so it got 7 colors in one, bro. It's like 7 shoes in one. Just so y'all know that. These just go hard. Like, it's worth it. Trust me. I'm not even sponsored by it, but to me, it's worth it. To keep it a buck. If you're getting the all black Balenciagas and they don't got LED on them, and you know about LED, you're just kind of like, just a little dumb. Because you gotta get this where you can wear with any outfit you want. You can wear the other black ones with any outfit you want, but this just put the sauce on it. Like, when you put this on, you're gonna have the sauce, bro. I don't care. So that's why I'm pulling these bitches out today. And this how they look. And y'all can see on the back of my hoodie, it got black, it got red, and it got blue. And it got a little more colors. But what I'm gonna do is wear these like this. Type shit. 1 blue, 1 red. Type shit. So you could do mad shit with it. Like, yeah, these is definitely worth it, I think. And let me do a little thumbnail. Shout out to my brother. That's all I gotta say. Let me know in the comments down below if you got a pair, or if you want a pair, or if these are on your wish list. And let me know if I helped you make a decision in buying them. Because I promise you, these is worth it. No bullshit. It's the end of this video. If y'all want to know how to lace them, let me know. Because then I'll do another video on them. But if not, it's cool. I did a little unboxing review. Feel me? And let me know if y'all want me to do an unboxing on the Cherry 11s too. Because I just got those. And I know it's a little late. But if y'all still want it, I got you. But without further ado, I hope y'all like this video. If y'all don't like, comment, and subscribe, then hop the fuck out. And I don't need you to be here. Why you just watching? I know you're not my hater, bro. I know you're not my hater. I love you too. So please, just subscribe, boo. Okay? It's KG Entertainment. And we out here, man. Bop.
On the party, but I do not want her. Moment of silence for my niggas that ain't here with me. For them saluting, throw your bottoms in the air, nigga. Throw your bottoms in the air and take a shot. And it's